Our world offers rare spectacles, moments so extraordinary they connect us to the cosmos itself. Today, we'll explore 10 such phenomena, wonders you may see only once in your lifetime. From celestial alignments to sudden bursts of life in the harshest places, each is a testament to nature's power and beauty. These fleeting events invite us to pause, look up, and marvel at the universe's grandeur. Join me as we uncover the extraordinary, and don't forget to subscribe for more hidden wonders. Few events rival the awe of a total solar eclipse. It's a spectacle that unites people from all walks of life, drawing them together under a shared sky. For a brief moment, the ordinary world is transformed into something extraordinary. As anticipation builds and excitement ripples through the crowd, the air is thick with wonder, and every eye turns skyward, waiting for the celestial show to begin. The moon aligns perfectly between Earth and Sun, plunging day into an eerie twilight. Shadows sharpen, colors fade, and the world seems to hold its breath. The familiar warmth of sunlight is replaced by a cool, silvery glow, and the landscape is cast into a surreal, dreamlike state. It's as if time itself slows down and the boundary between day and night blurs. The temperature drops, the world quiets, and a primal sense of wonder takes hold. Birds fall silent, animals pause, and even the wind seems to hush. People gasp, laugh, or simply stand in silent awe, feeling a connection to something much larger than themselves. It's a moment that stirs ancient instincts, reminding us of our deep-rooted fascination with the cosmos. At totality, the sun's face vanishes, replaced by a black void rimmed with the sun's ethereal corona, delicate pearly streamers stretching into space. The corona shimmers and dances, revealing a side of the sun that is usually hidden from view. For these precious minutes, the universe unveils one of its most beautiful secrets, and the sky becomes a canvas of cosmic artistry. This hidden crown is visible only for minutes, revealing the sun's true dynamic nature. Scientists and skywatchers alike marvel at the corona's shifting patterns, studying its mysteries and capturing its fleeting beauty. The experience is both scientific and spiritual, a rare opportunity to witness the sun's power and fragility all at once. The path of totality is narrow and fleeting, demanding planning and luck to witness. Only those standing in the right place at the right time will see the full spectacle. People travel hundreds, even thousands of miles, camping out and preparing for months, all for a few minutes of cosmic magic. The sense of anticipation is electric, and the reward is unforgettable. For many, it's a pilgrimage, an experience etched into the soul. Families, friends, and strangers come together, sharing stories and memories as they await the eclipse. Some become lifelong eclipse chasers, seeking out these rare events wherever they occur, driven by the desire to relive the wonder again and again. As the diamond ring of sunlight reappears, normalcy returns, but the memory lingers. The crowd erupts in cheers and applause, celebrating the return of the sun and the end of the cosmic show. Yet, something has changed. Each person carries with them a sense of awe and gratitude for having witnessed such a rare event. To stand in the moon's shadow is to feel our smallness in the cosmic dance. It's a humbling reminder that we are part of a vast, mysterious universe where planets and stars move in silent harmony. In that shadow, we find perspective, humility, and a renewed sense of curiosity about the world beyond our own. The world resumes, but you are forever changed. Conversations buzz with excitement, and new friendships are forged over shared wonder. The memory of the eclipse becomes a story to tell, a moment to cherish, and a spark for future adventures. A total solar eclipse is nature's most dramatic, once-in-a-lifetime performance. It's a reminder that even in our busy lives, there are moments of pure magic waiting to be discovered if we only look up. If you ever have the chance, don't miss it. Prepare, plan, and make the journey, because witnessing a total solar eclipse is an experience that will stay with you forever. It's a reminder of our place in the universe, and an invitation to keep exploring the wonders that lie beyond our everyday horizon. By night, certain coastlines reveal a secret. Bioluminescent waves, microscopic plankton, disturbed by movement, emit flashes of blue-green light. Each wave glows electric blue, footprints shimmer, and fish become streaks of living fire. This magical display is unpredictable, dependent on water, nutrients, and currents. A bloom may vanish overnight, making each encounter unique. To witness the sea aglow is to see life's hidden chemistry on a grand scale. Even the smallest organisms can create breathtaking beauty. It's a fleeting, unforgettable vision, nature's own light show. The ocean in darkness comes alive. A rainbow is always a delight, a sudden burst of color that transforms even the grayest skies into something magical. It's a phenomenon that has inspired myths, art, and wonder for centuries, captivating people of all ages. But a double rainbow is a rare encore, a breathtaking spectacle that feels almost otherworldly. When two rainbows appear together, it's as if nature is putting on an encore performance, doubling the beauty and the sense of awe. The science behind this wonder begins with sunlight. As sunlight passes through countless raindrops suspended in the air, it refracts or bends, and then reflects off the inside surface of each droplet. This process splits the light into its component colors, creating the familiar arc we know as a rainbow. Occasionally, a second fainter bow appears above the first, its colors reversed, with red on the inside and violet on the outside. This secondary rainbow is always dimmer and more elusive, making its appearance feel even more special. This happens due to a double reflection within the droplets. The light bounces twice inside the raindrop before emerging, which causes the colors to flip and the bow to appear higher and fainter in the sky. The space between the bows, known as Alexander's band, appears darker, a striking contrast that highlights the vividness of both rainbows. This dark band is a result of the way light is scattered and absorbed, creating a natural boundary between the two arcs. Double rainbows require a perfect alignment of sun, rain, and observer. The sun must be low in the sky, and the rain must be falling opposite the sun, creating just the right conditions for this rare event. For a brief moment, the sky is adorned with mirrored masterpieces, each arc a reminder of the delicate balance of light and water that makes such beauty possible. It's a vivid lesson in optics, painted across the heavens for all to see, a living demonstration of the science that shapes our world. Such sights remind us of the hidden physics in a simple drop of rain, and how even the most ordinary elements can create extraordinary moments. When you see one, pause and marvel. Let yourself be swept up in the wonder, and remember that these fleeting gifts from nature are as much about perspective as they are about science. It's a fleeting gift from nature, a reminder to look up, to appreciate the moment, and to find joy in the unexpected beauty that sometimes appears when sunlight meets rain. Halley's Comet is the solar system's most famous wanderer. Completing its orbit every 76 years, it's a once-in-a-lifetime sight for most. As it nears the sun, its icy core releases gas and dust, forming a glowing coma and two magnificent tails. Civilizations have recorded its visits for millennia, often as omens. The last appearance was in 1986. The next is due in 2061. To see Halley's Comet is to witness a living piece of cosmic history. It connects generations, past, present, and future. If you're lucky enough to see it, you join a lineage of skywatchers stretching back thousands of years. Don't miss your chance to look up and wonder. Near the poles, the night sky can erupt in color, the aurora borealis. Charged particles from the sun, guided by Earth's magnetic field, collide with atmospheric gases. These collisions release photons, painting the sky in greens, reds, blues, and purples. The aurora shimmers and dances, forming curtains and arcs that ripple in silence. Each display is unique, shaped by solar storms and atmospheric conditions. To stand beneath the aurora is to witness a direct connection between Earth and Sun. It's a humbling, almost otherworldly experience. The lights remind us of the invisible forces shaping our world. If you ever travel north, hope for clear, dark skies. The aurora is nature's most magical light show. Once in a blue moon means rare, but the real blue moon is a calendrical quirk. It's the second full moon in a single month, happening every 2 to 3 years. The term's origin is tangled, but the event is always uncommon. Occasionally, volcanic eruptions or wildfires can make the moon appear truly blue, a far rarer sight. Most will see several blue moons in a lifetime, but a genuinely blue-colored moon is almost mythical. Both remind us how nature and chance can surprise us. Look up, you never know what you'll see. Sometimes, 3 lunar events align: a supermoon, a total lunar eclipse, and a blood moon. The moon appears larger and brighter at perigee, then slips into Earth's shadow. Instead of vanishing, it glows deep red, lit by sunlight filtered through our atmosphere. The color and brightness depend on atmospheric conditions. Dustier air means a darker eclipse. This rare trifecta is called a super blood moon eclipse. It's a powerful reminder of the solar system's intricate mechanics. To watch the moon transform from brilliant white to haunting crimson is unforgettable. These moments unite skywatchers around the world. If you ever witness one, savor it. It's a celestial spectacle you may see only once. On Africa's vast Serengeti Mara plains, the Great Migration unfolds, a living river of nearly 2 million animals moving as one. This is not just a journey, but a breathtaking spectacle of life, survival, and instinct, played out on a scale that is almost unimaginable. Every year, this ancient cycle repeats as herds of wildebeest, zebras, and gazelles set out on a perilous trek that will test their endurance and unity. Wildebeest, zebras, and gazelles journey together in search of fresh grass and water, following the life-giving rains that sweep across the plains. Their movements are guided by the rhythm of the seasons and the promise of nourishment ahead. Along the way, they form vast, mixed herds, their numbers offering some protection from the ever-present dangers that stalk the savanna. Their year-long, 1,000-mile loop is punctuated by dramatic river crossings, where crocodiles lie in wait beneath the surface. These crossings are moments of high drama, as the herds gather at the water's edge, hesitating before plunging into the unknown. The tension is palpable, every animal aware of the risks, yet driven by the need to move forward. The chaos and struggle for survival are nature at its rawest. The river becomes a battleground, with powerful currents and lurking predators turning the crossing into a desperate dash for life. Some will not make it, but for those that do, the journey continues, a testament to the resilience and determination of these remarkable creatures. The sound of thousands of hooves thundering across the dusty earth, the swirling clouds of dust, and the haunting calls of the herd create a spectacle of immense scale and energy. It is a sensory experience, one that fills the air with anticipation and awe and reminds us of the wild heart that still beats within our world. As the sun rises and sets over the endless savanna, the migration continues, painting the landscape with movement and life. It's a glimpse into Earth's wild past, a living echo of a time when nature's rhythms were untouched by human hands. Yet this ancient spectacle is now increasingly fragile, threatened by changing climates and human encroachment. To witness the migration is to feel the pulse of Africa itself, a powerful reminder of the continent's untamed spirit and the delicate balance that sustains it. For those lucky enough to see it, the memory lingers long after the herds have passed. Each new life, from a wobbly calf taking its first steps to the unity of different species moving together, is a reminder of life's resilience and the interconnectedness of all creatures. The migration is not just about survival, but about hope, renewal, and the enduring power of nature. This is one of the planet's greatest natural wonders, a living, breathing marvel that connects past and present and inspires us to protect the wild places that still remain. Deserts, usually barren, can explode with color after rare, soaking rains. Dormant seeds awaken, transforming the landscape into a sea of wildflowers, a super bloom. For a few weeks, the desert is alive with vibrant hues and buzzing pollinators. This fleeting ecosystem is a festival of life, made possible by the rare gift of water. To witness a super bloom is to see resilience and beauty emerge from harshness. It's a reminder that even the driest places hold hidden potential. These blooms are unpredictable and rare, making each one a treasure. Nature's patience is rewarded in spectacular fashion. Deep underground, heat and pressure shape our planet. Occasionally, this power erupts in the birth of a new geyser, a rare geological event. Water, superheated by magma, builds pressure until it blasts skyward in a fountain of steam. The formation requires a perfect underground plumbing system. The first eruption is chaotic, clearing debris and announcing a new wonder. To witness this is to see Earth's creative force in action. It's a vivid reminder that our planet is alive and ever-changing. New wonders can emerge at any moment. We've journeyed from eclipses to migrations, from ocean lights to desert blooms. Each spectacle is a fleeting masterpiece, a moment of connection with nature's power. These wonders teach us patience, humility, and awe. The universe is full of such moments. If we remember to look up and be curious, cherish these rare sights, they deepen our bond with the world and each other.